Darling, you send me, I know you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to meet you. If you're new here, my name is Aoife. I sound pretty sick because I am sick. I'm kind of like getting out of a sickness. But yeah, today's video is going to be a morning vlog, like a morning routine in a vlog style. And yeah, pretty much. Today I started my day at 10 AM. It's not like it's like a really bad time to wake up, like it's not early at all, but yeah, my sleep schedule is kind of like messed up at the moment. It's like I'm sleeping at like 3-4 AM and waking up at like 10 AM, sometimes 11 AM if I'm like sleeping at like 5 AM. It's supposed to be because I'm sick, but it's also just because I've got into like a really bad routine of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We are going to start the day at 10 AM. I should also like fix my sleeping schedule because it's like so messed up on so many different levels. So okay, I'm getting up. I feel shook. This is what I look like in the morning, if anyone was wondering. The first thing I do every single morning is open my curtains and make my bed. I can't live life if I don't do that first thing. So my bed is made, my curtains are open, and so is my window. And the first thing I do before I go downstairs to eat is, this is like recently I've changed it up in my morning routine, but I will always get dressed. Just because I feel like if I go down and have breakfast in my pajamas, which I always used to do, it will just I'll end up like feeling lazy for the day. So if I get dressed straight away, there's no excuses. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I'm dressed, so I'm just wearing this little, I'll show you in the mirror actually. Why is this not working? My voice is so deep because my voice went when I was sick. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing just a little crop top. It's cropped if you can see the side. It's really awkward, but I'm going to be filming a really exciting video today, so you're just going to see like my top half, so that won't matter. But and then I'll like change right back after. So I'm wearing, my top is from, my hand's so ugly, my top is from Boohoo, and so is my dungarees actually. So these are like mom jeans in dungaree style, and they're super cute. I love them. I would love to like, I haven't actually worn them, like this is like the first day I've worn them, except for like the try on haul, and I'd love to actually like pull them off properly. But I think they're really cute with the yellow on top. If you don't look at like the side part, they are kind of cute with the yellow on top. If this stopped coming out. Yeah, so it's my favorite color and it's Disney. So that's why I love it so much. So I'm gonna be filming video from like here up or whatever. So it'll be really cute. To see. So the next thing, I love the pocket here as well because I can just pop my phone into it. And it's super handy. Or it has two normal pockets where it, like pockets would be normally on the jeans. So the first thing I'm going to do is go down, I'm so bad at angles. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop downstairs and have breakfast, because I have to have breakfast the minute I wake up because I'm always so hungry. And I brought my water bottle. This is a 1 litre bottle and I like to keep refilling it all day long. Sorry for my voice, it's really like ugly. Yeah, I have the exact same breakfast every single morning, so I'm just gonna continue doing that. And I either have, sorry for the angled, and I either have green tea or I have normal tea, and if whatever one I pick to have during breakfast, I'll have the other one after breakfast, like a while after breakfast. So yeah, pretty much it. I kind of like to have the green tea after my breakfast just because it feels better. like to have it after my breakfast to kind of like help my breakfast digest or whatever. So I'm just going to montage me making my breakfast. So I have my breakfast, I have my tea, my bottle of water and my vitamins. I'm just gonna run through the vitamins that I take every single morning. So I take vitamin B complex, so this is basically all of the vitamin B's combined, and I take 2 of these every morning. And then I take this is the Megavit chewable vitamin C, so this is obviously for your immune system and stuff. And I take 1 of these every day, every single day. I stopped taking these for about a week like a week, because I was really busy, and I think that's why I got sick. It was like the week I stopped taking them and the week after I got sick, so I'm blaming it on that. But anyway, so this is my breakfast. I like to go a bit overboard on the fruit just because fruit is my absolute favorite thing ever, and it's honestly the most delicious breakfast. If you were wondering what I put in the bowl, oops, I'm not even in frame. If I was wondering what I put in the bowl, it's porridge oats. Well, not porridge oats, it's oats. That is porridge. And that's pretty much it. This is what I eat every single day for breakfast. It's depending on like how much fruit we have, but like I wouldn't really have blueberries alone. I don't really like the taste of blueberries, but I eat them when there's like so much fruit in with it. Just I kind of like shove a bit of banana and a bit of blueberry in my mouth together, so I can't really taste the blueberry. But that's why I only put like 6 blueberries in it, if you were wondering. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am just done with breakfast, and yeah, that was delicious. And I have left a little bit of tea just to leave, and then I started on my 1 litre bottle of water. I try and drink as much water as I can, so like, you know, 2 to 3 litres a day I try for. If I can do more, I'll do more. My mum is actually away, so I'm kind of at home alone and I'm like running the house, so I have to feed my little dog, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Also, if you are wondering what this is my little setup for my nails. So I have a nail appointment later. It's not until like 3:45 or whatever, so it's not too bad. And then I have one tomorrow morning, and that person is a new client, so I'm super excited. A little bit nervous, but whatever. So I'm just gonna throw on my Converse and feed my dog. Are you just the cutest? Look how cute you are. Okay, so I came inside and I brushed my teeth. I didn't bother showing you just because there's really bad lighting in my bathroom. So now I'm just going to clear away my dishes and chill upstairs. I'll probably watch some YouTube while I wait for my breakfast to like digest a bit, and then I will probably work out. So I'm just gonna stop talking and do the dishes. Sleep till I come home. That's basically all for my morning routine. I'm just gonna chill up here and work out. but I'm not going to show you working out on the vlog just because I have some new workout videos coming your way soon. So I'm going to leave them so they're solely in the workout videos, and yeah, so it's not like a spoiler. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with the brand new video.